Oh, good, you're back. Oh, good, you're back. Okay. So, just to recap, got the LCD monitor. That's just the chip connected to it. Got the keyboard, the front part of the frame. Oops. This is just something to hold the cables together. This is, I don't know what this is. It's a piece of plastic. These are screws, motherboard, or the CPU, and the cooling fan. This is the backup battery, hard drive. This is the actual case thing. These held the LCD into the case. These are just two panels from the back. This is your CD drive. And this is your battery. So, this is what we got over here. So, set you back down in the dock. Okay. And, so much lighter now. Alright, so, what else to do? Alright, you know what? We're gonna continue taking this, or we're gonna get the cover thing off. So let's do that now. Let's see. Oh man, where's my magnet? Oh, perfect, I found it. Found it, it's alright. I found it. Good. Oh, good. Good. Okay. Oh, perfect. Alright, so we're going to take the pocket knife now. And we're just going to, I don't know if you can see that. But we're going to slip it. Oh, what's under there? Oh, okay. I'm going to slip it in there. And we're just going to come on. You're just going to pop it in there. Slide it. Perfect. Oh, perfect. Yeah. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Perfect. This is basically the front cover. Actually, it is the front cover thing. And it's just got something for the... That's the slot that the hard drive sort of fit into. Okay. Well, this is... This goes to the monitor. This is just a little cable for the monitor, so I'll put that on now. You guys can watch if you want. Alrighty. Let's see, that goes on. Sorry, I'm kind of doing everything with one hand here. What are we doing here? Alright, I'm gonna have to put you back in the dock now. This is just out of, this is not my ability. So put that in. Isn't going in right way. What are we doing? What? What the hell, man? What is my sideburn? What the hell, man? What is my sideburn? Sorry. Okay. So, oh, there we go. Okay, perfect. Perfect. Okay. Okay. Now I just go on there. Good. Okay. Perfect. Oh, perfect. Alright, there we go. That's the rest of it. Okay. Back up here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright. Anyway, the rest of this, we'll see what we got here. Alright, so this is just some sort of doohickey cable hickey. Doohickey thing. I think this might be the Wi-Fi antenna, actually. What is that? I don't know. Main aux. I don't know. Whatever. I don't know. We'll see. We got that. Okay. So. Oh, can't wait to get down to the. Oh, perfect. Alright, we're almost there. Alright, we'll take this screw off. Booyah. This screw off. Where's my magnet? Give me the magnet. Give me the magnet. Give me the magnet. Give me the magnet. Okay. Anyway. Alright, this is what holds the frame on. Yeah, that's basically what it is. Alright. I think we'll just work our way around. Just removing stuff. And we'll see what we got there. Okay. Just put that in there. Alright, what do we got in here? Oh, one more screw. No, don't bug me. Oh my god, guys, shut up! I'm sorry. Yeah, that's what having siblings. Yeah, just never mind. Sorry. Alright, what do we got here? Okay, here's the shield for. Oh wait, where's my screw? Where's the small screwdriver? Oh, there it is. One more thing for this. Okay. Oh, that's cool. Oh, that's... Oop, getting sidetracked again. Alright. So this is the cover for the hard drive. So we're just gonna boop, pop this off. Let's try the small screwdriver. No, let's go back. I hate siblings. They suck. Sometimes I just sit in the corner and ask myself, why do I have siblings? Sometimes. Sometimes. Not all the time. Just sometimes. Just sometimes. Alright, what are we at here? Oh, 7 minutes? Oh, I gotta hurry up. I don't want this to have to be the freaking another 10-minute videos. Because I won't shut up. Because I won't shut up. Okay. Let's come out. Alright, one more screw there. And then another screw there. So there's 2 more screws, not 1 more. Okay. I don't know, this is pretty much it. There's nothing really else left in here that would be exciting to look at. But hey, you know what? I'm just assembling a computer, and that itself is fun. Yeah, you know it. You know it. Alright, what do we got here? Oh no, there's something there. Something there that does something that I don't know. Oh wait, what's this screw do? Michael, faster, faster! See, if I had a drill, I could have been done with this by now. Right. Whoa, oh, good, oh, good. Good. Perfect, oh, perfect. Found the speaker assembly. That's cool. Okay. This is just a hard drive cover, nothing exciting there. Whoa, what happened there? Some sort of blowout, okay. Oh, goody. Oh, whoa, what's this? Oh, whoa, what is that? What is that? I don't know. Oh, look what I found. Look at. Okay. Now, tell me guys what you think this is. I can't tell if that's a guy doing push-ups, taking a crap, or It's a guy landing on his back, slipping, and it's raining bowling balls or something. I don't know, because it's like, that would be the head, and that's one arm, that's another arm, that's his legs, and that's the bowling ball right there. I don't know, whatever you guys think. I'm just kidding. I don't know, that's probably like a logo or something. It doesn't matter, I don't care. Just trying to get this done, okay. I don't care what it is. Just don't care. I just don't care what it is. What does that do? That's a microphone? I think that's the microphone. Oh, good news. Good news. Excuse me. All this dust is, it's getting in my face. This is, dust is, gross. It's gross dust. Okay, cool. So we got this whole thing in here. I don't know what this does. Oh, I know this. Whoa, look at that. Oh, no way. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, so cool. Here, look at that. You jelly? You jelly? Oh, look at that. Look at that. You're jealous. You're jealous. I can tell you're jealous. Don't deny it. Anyway, back to the thing that we were doing before I got distracted. And distracted you guys. I'm sorry. I shouldn't have done that. That was really mean of me. Oh man, this is gonna take forever. This one's gonna take forever to upload. Anyway, there's another bracket for holding on thing. Nothing exciting. Motherboard. Alright, let's see. I don't think there's anything else really exciting that you guys need to see here. I'll just go ahead and show you anyway because, you know. Alright, so we'll get the motherboard revealed and then I'll cut it there. What? What's it stuck on? Oh, you know what? Oh, you know what? Oh. These little bastards. Right here. These little bastards right here. These little bastards right here. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. These little bastards.